Hello, Panther. Oh.
Yeah. Alright, good morning, St. Mary's. Today we are here with
Miss Gallien.
I'm Mr. Riccardi.
So today we're doing spicy ones.
I've done this before.
I'm not sure you're ready for this, though.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
Starting off with the least spicy, Palo Alto Firefighters pepper sauce.
Palo Alto. It's a place.
Okay.
Okay.
For the first one.
Cheers.
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 Oh, that's good.
That is quite good.
I like the yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Thank you.
It's spicy.
Really?
Seriously, Colin?
Hey, we're
As you
just like
might say,
whatever.
low-key mild.
So now we have our first question.
Ooh, delicious.
What's your favorite book?
Like asking me what my favorite
Bruh.
child is. That's weird.
Yeah. Can you answer that?
Well, I will recommend a book I read this year, and I recommend it to you, North Woods by Daniel Mason. It is a crazy good book. It is the story of a place in western Massachusetts from like the 1600s to the present, and one of the characters is actually a beetle.
Whoa.
How about you, Riccardi?
Yeah, the best book I read, and it was this summer, was called The Trees by Percival Everett. It was a murder mystery.
Same theme. We got trees and the woods.
And-
The strangest take on a book that you've read in an essay.
Do you know how many essays we read?
Okay,
That's our job, is to read
It's
essays.
not, I think when people try to argue things and make it really clear they didn't read the book.
Oh yeah, can you guys tell when people don't actually read the book?
Yeah.
100%.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you
Yeah.
think I read the books?
Statistically, probably not. What are we tasting now?
Well,
Colin?
guys, now
Surprise.
we're tasting Mike's B. What is?
Jeez.
Wait, what is this? Now we're taking
Yeah.
Mikey B's Texas X's.
This is bad.
That's good.
It's all right.
That's
Is
not
it?
spicy. That's
I mean, it's so
it's
garlic
It's
forward.
garlicky, yeah.
You have to
Vampires
be
would
really,
not like
really
this.
down with
Would you rather go to space or the bottom of the ocean?
Ooh.
space
Why?
because there's air there. It's because I'd like to see the Earth.
You don't want to see all like the fishes and stuff?
Fish.
What would you name your boat if you had one?
The first thing that came to mind was Bodie McBoatface. SS Chubby.
Actually, what's the backstory behind Chubby?
Ooh, I named Chubby actually.
Oh,
It's true. It's
Well,
true.
I
And
named High
Chubby
Five,
appeared
up
out
top.
of nowhere. Do you still not know who gave
I
you
do
Chubby?
know, but
You can't drop the name. it's
we're not.
classified.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay.
the.
I don't wanna know.
The mystery is better than the truth.
Absolutely.
We're on your
I
team.
feel like
The
I'm not
bomb.
based on the fact that
The
you
bomb.
nearly died.
135,000
Sure.
Scoville units. All right. Oh, he's right into it.
Oh God.
I can see the sweat.
I'm sweating a lot. I'm sorry. You have
My
to see
throat hurts so much.
this. Is there,
I was way wimpier than you. Like,
I feel so much better than looking at you. I feel so much better looking at you.
My face is numb.
no,
Yo, why
that
does
was
my
great.
eye hurt?
Wait, brother.
Did you
Dan,
touch it?
No, I didn't, but like my eye is just tingling.
We can edit it in.
Yo, can someone please go get more milk?
I have more milk.
What happened in the last
Sorry.
week that annoyed you?
Oh my god.
One thing.
One thing, yeah. Like
Sure.
you're asking
But
two
you can give
teachers.
us
I feel like I'm more focused on saving my body than interviewing you guys.
God, everyone has been driving so close.
Crazy, right? Crazy.
Guys, I'm shaking so much.
You're not shaking.
Oh.
He is. He is.
So
What's
many.
your dream job and what job would you be terrible at?
Or just pick one.
I tried to work
Yeah.
in an office once that did home loans and mortgages, and it was the worst. It was the worst. I know. I'm sweating a lot. I was bad at that.
I feel like being a teacher is your destiny.
Okay.
Oh.
Did you always want to be a teacher? No. No? Alright, what about you?
Questioning everything about my life choices as I sweat through my shirt.
What about
There's
Gallien?
that part. I love teaching. I'd probably want to be a museum curator. That would be, because I'm really, really into art. But the one job that I know I'd be so good at that I realistically could never have, butler. I would love to live in someone's
Concierge.
house and like clean their house and do all their cooking, but not have to have any museums. No, like literally like live with some like super rich family
Oh,
and
yeah.
just
Stop
like,
listening.
I feel like you already make the school environment perfect.
wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Well done.
I cooked that one up in the noggin.
Well, thank you guys for coming on.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you so
Appreciate
much.
it.
I
Good
guess
job.
thank you. I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else? Final things to say to the camera?
No. It was, yeah, read.
Yeah, read your books, you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys
Come on.
have to do it.
All right. Well, we'll see you next time
I'm feeling quite
on Spicy
nauseous.
Ones.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.